Ladies and gentlemen, this is the home remedy for cough. This can soothe your throat and get rid of cough. All you need is a glass of water and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. The lemon, honey, and other ingredients are okay, but these are the main things you need. 2 tablespoons and a glass of water. Other things you can add to this are turmeric, cinnamon, honey, grated fresh ginger, sliced lemon or lemon juice, a green tea bag steeped in the drink, or a pinch of cayenne pepper. But the main things are 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and water. If you are a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. This is it, guys. A glass of water with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with any of the ingredients listed earlier. A glass of water and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This is it with the mother. This lemon juice or a slice of lemon is optional. Honey is optional. Cinnamon, turmeric, any of the ingredients I listed earlier can be added. But this is the main thing. A glass of water with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This is it. The first one is going in. The second one now. For the health benefits of every ingredient listed, please check the description box below. I've made a well-detailed video about them. I'll be linking the playlist in the description box. If you're interested, do check it out. This is what you need, guys. 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. Any other ingredients you are adding is okay, but these are the main things. You can add a teaspoon of honey, lemon juice or a slice of lemon, turmeric, cinnamon, cayenne pepper. Just those ingredients I listed earlier can be added now. This will help remedy cough and soothe your throat. This is the natural remedy for cough. Okay? To mine, I'll be adding just a teaspoon of honey. Honey too has its own health benefits. You can check the description box for that. Just a teaspoon of honey. Stir, and your natural home remedy for cough is ready. This is it, guys. This is what you need to remedy cough at home and soothe your throat. This is it. Water with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with any of the ingredients listed earlier. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Would you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section below. I will see you in my next one. Keep being amazing, guys. Bye-bye.